Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the sump to pressure chamber tube in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to use a Phillips and a Torx 20 screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new sump to pressure chamber hose. The sump to pressure chamber hose, as you can learn from its name, connects the sump to the pressure chamber. The pressure chamber hose may crack, causing a water leak, and must be replaced if that happens. There's another possible scenario. Imagine on a hot summer afternoon, your dishwasher has been visited by neighboring mice and rats in a quest for water. The hose will be cut open and the thirst satisfied. As soon as the dishwasher is turned on, you will have a flood. Open the door. Using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out the 6 screws that hold the outer door, 3 on each side. Close the door and pull the outer panel down and out to remove it. If one or both bottom spacers falls out, simply put it back on. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take the 2 screws on the sides of the kick panel out. Remove the kick panel. Take the 2 Torx 20 screws out and remove the inner access panel. Remove the plastic cover from the inner access panel. Remove the insulation. Release the hose from the retainer. Place a towel on the sump port, prepared to catch some water. Pull out the old hose from the sump and from the pressure chamber. Remove the old hose. Remove the towel. This is the old sump to pressure chamber hose next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new sump to pressure chamber hose, make sure that both O-rings are on. Push the new hose into the pressure chamber and into the sump ports as far as it can go. Clip the hose under the retainer, lower down the terminal cover. Place the insulation in. Clip on the plastic cover. Install the inner access panel and secure it with the 2 Torx 20 screws. Install the kick panel and secure it with the 2 Phillips screws. Install the outer door panel and secure it to the inner door with the 6 Torx 20 screws. Now we can close the door, turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.